Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So firstly we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find home screen. As you can see right here, the second section is connected with the system navigation, so let's enter, and we've got two different options. In this one, the gestures, we've got the animation. However, before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer about the buttons. If you'd like to leave this option turned on, you can customize it here. So as you can see, you can mirror the buttons, so you can reorder the back button and the recents, you can set some kind of button shortcuts, or you can automatically disable navigation buttons. It's up to you. I will not explain everything because let's focus on the gestures, right? But it was just an information for those of you who would like to stick with the buttons. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this animation and your device will immediately ask you if you want to go through the tutorial and to learn the gestures. Of course, if you want to, you can do it. However, I don't want to because first of all, I already know how to use the gestures, and also I'll show you later on how to use them, how to navigate. Alright, and basically immediately, instead of the buttons, we've got this line which will be responsible for particular gestures, for particular actions. And here we can also customize the gestures, and to be honest, I really prefer this first option to be turned on, because thanks to this line will disappear and we won't have anything on the screen, which in my opinion is much better and more aesthetic. Here we've got also the gesture confirmation. Of course, it's up to you if you want to use it or not. It will appear whenever you will play games or watch the videos. Whenever you want to come back, so use the back gesture, you will have to double it in order to confirm. As I said, up to you. Here we've got some gesture demos also. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gesture. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you will have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you will see this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will get back. The same situation from the right side, so it does not really matter. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, and then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and if you want to open the recents, so where all of previously opened apps are stored, you will have to repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, just like that, on this cute nose. And as you can see, we've got the recents. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.